Okay, so hello everyone. Good day. This is Rubilin Atam, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in General Science. And today's video, we are going to talk about DNA, specifically its structure. And with that, I created a DNA model. Okay, so let us start first with defining DNA. DNA stands for the oxyribonucleic acid, which is a molecule that carries genetic information in all living creatures. It codes genetic information for the transmission of the inherited traits. So it is composed of two polynucleotide chains, which is coiled around each other to form a double helix, carrying genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known organisms. We can see in this model the major structure of DNA, whereas it is double strand. We have double strand, and we have also here the components of our DNA. So let us start first with phosphate. So we have phosphate, we have the oxyribose, and we have a nitrogenous base. So we actually have four nitrogenous base. We have cytosine, we have guanine, adenine, and phosphate provides structural support for the DNA. While the oxyribose, this one, our blue, the oxyribose is a 5-carbon sugar molecule which helps to form our phosphate. And we have here our nitrogenous bases. We have cytosine, adenine, thymine, and guanine. There are actually two classifications of nitrogenous bases, which are pyrimidine and purine. Pyrimidine are our cytosine and thymine, whereas our purine is adenine and our guanine. This is actually a nucleotide, the building block of our DNA. So as you can observe, so phosphate is banded to our deoxyribose by what we call as covalent band, while our nitrogenous bases are attached to our deoxyribose through glycosidic bond. To form a strand of DNA, nucleotides are linked into chains. This is our strand, wherein phosphate, deoxyribose, phosphate, deoxyribose, phosphate, deoxyribose, and so on and so on. So that is the alteration in our strand. And these two strands are held together by the hydrogen band by the nitrogenous bases. Always remember that nitrogenous bases are paired together by complementary pairing, whereas guanine is always paired to our cytosine. Our adenine is always paired to our thymine. The strands are composed of altering phosphate and deoxyribose. These strands are held together by hydrogen bonds between our nitrogenous bases. Adenine is to thymine and guanine is to cytosine. Thank you very much.